In this video, I'll show you how to add your contact information to the lock screen on your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. Now, when you add a contact information to your lock screen, it's useful. Maybe let's say for instance, your phone is misplaced and someone has it. They can reach out to you and tell you about your misplaced phone. So to add contact information to your lock screen, all you have to do is simply open the settings. So open settings. Within the settings, scroll down and select personalization. Tap on it. And then from here, all you have to do is simply tap on your lock screen. So this is the lock screen and the home screen. So tap on the lock screen. And then this will take you to the lock screen editor. So all you have to do is simply tap on customize. And then you should see this option. Tap to enter signature, simply tap on it, and then tap on it again, and then type in your contact information. So it can be your email address. So let's say you can type in your email address, and also you can also add your phone number. So let's say if you want to have a phone number there, you can simply add it. And then once you're done, all you have to do is simply tap on apply, or you can customize any other changes that you'd like. But once you're done, simply tap on apply. And then you should see apply changes have been successfully applied. So whenever you lock your device, and then you access your lock screen. So when you access the lock screen, you can see your contact information on the lock screen. So that's basically it on how to add your contact information to your lock screen on the Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.